Elle, and welcome back to my channel, and thank you so much for being here, and happy Sephora sale recommendation video. Today, that's what we're talking about. We're going to talk about the brand new sale that Sephora is starting very, very soon, and the things that I recommend. Alright, before we get started, hit the subscribe button, share this video with somebody you think might like it, and let's do it. I went full holiday for you guys with this lip, didn't I? This is actually a Juvia's Place lip. I'll link it in the description box. It is beautiful. I love it. It's matte. Okay, so the sale for Rouge starts on November 5th and goes through November 15th, and then subsequently after a few days, all the other tiers start. So November 5th, Rouge starts. For me personally, what I'm going to be doing during this time is I'm going to be stocking up on stuff that I have been waiting to stock up on all year round. So these are my big purchase ticket items. These are like very expensive skincare, more expensive makeup, maybe foundations that I love but are a little pricier that I want to wait and get the 20% off since I am Rouge, 20% off discount. That would be great. Again, this is where I'm going to buy like my Tatcha Dewy Skin cream. This is where I'm going to buy my Tatcha Violet C mask. This is where I'm going to be buying my Biossance moisturizer. Now again, you know, I don't spend a ton of money on moisturizers, but when I have 20% off, I like to treat myself. And so that's what I'm going to be spending on. Also too, like Anastasia brow pencils, that's definitely what I'm here for as well. Bare Minerals foundation and concealer, I'm going to be stocking up on that because I'm about out of mine. So I want to make sure I get that at a good deal. This is also time to get like your Charlotte Tilbury bronzer refills. So like this guy, if you got him, I don't need a refill just yet, but this pan comes out and you pop it out and then you can get a refill. So that's the time to do that. For me personally, I actually should have waited, but I did get this. I literally just got this in the mail a couple days ago. If you guys ever want to know what nude lip I'm wearing, and it's literally the same thing in every video, is that I'm wearing like this nude lip, it's this. It's Charlotte Tilbury's Pillow Talk system. This is the Pillow Talk Lip Secret, so it's the lip liner, the lipstick, and then this is the lip gloss. I don't really know what this is though. Is this the lip gloss with just like a fancy, you know, like lid here? I think that's what it might be. But anyway, I should have waited, but this is a great gift set. So that's what I got. I also got this. I'm using it. This is her brand new Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray Duo. I just used it today for the very first time, and so far, so good. I mean, honestly, I just applied it like 15 minutes ago. So the sprayer on it is like a traditional spray bottle, so I don't love that. I would have loved to see like a longer mist spray so it didn't kind of like jolt you. That's the only thing so far I can report, but I'll report back on this. Okay, so a couple other things I recommend you get is this eyelash curler. Okay, this is by Tarte. This is one of the only ones I have used in my kit for the last many, many years, and I have another one, obviously this is mine, and I love it. It fits every eye shape. It is so easy to use. It's by Tarte. It comes with a little tiny Lights Camera Lashes, I think it's called, mascara, and I'll link everything in the description box below, and you can find it there, but this is the best. I get asked all the time, like my favorite lash curler. This is it. All right, also, I have gone back to my favorite staple when I'm not wearing my Lashify system is the Too Faced Better Than Sex. So this is the one I wear on an everyday basis. It's the original, and then when I want waterproof, I use their waterproof one. I just love it. For me, I like big, long, kind of more voluminous lashes. So this has a beautiful, big, large brush, and that's what I like. I like a big brush, and I like it to separate, but I like it to be really have a lot of volume to it. So that is one of those staple mascaras that I think that I just keep going back to it and back to it and back to it. So that's what I'll be buying again. As well as I ran out of the waterproof ones, so I'll be buying that. What else? This is also the time I'm going to stock up on my DERMAFLASH. I use that all the time. I go through those blades like water. So this is the time to stock up on the deluxe size. So they come in packs of 3. And so I'll be stocking up on that. I probably will buy 2 sets of those since I can get both of them at 20% off. Again, this is always a good time to buy perfumes if you want to, candles, because they have beautiful candles at Sephora. You'll get a great price on those. But for me, this is the time that this is when I buy like those really amazing gifts for my girlfriends and for my mom and for my stepsister. So basically what it is I am like known to give these gifts that are little bags full of my favorites. So I write some sort of card that goes with it that says basically like, you're one of my favorites and I wanted to share some of my favorite beauty products with you. And so what I do is for example, Olaplex has an amazing Healthy Hair Essentials value kit. So you go on the website and you look under value and gift sets. And there's 4 products from Olaplex and they're great for, Olaplex is fantastic for the hair. So you break those up. And then, for example, there is like obviously, like I just said, there is this set from Pillow Talk, from Charlotte Tilbury. Break that up. Break this set up, individual bags, and give that to them. Natasha Denona has her beautiful Mini Metropolis palette, which is very fallish, very New Year's Eve friendly, for $25. And that's all you need from Natasha Denona is just a small pans of hers because they're so pigmented. And a lot of brands are doing this. For another one that I absolutely love is the Westman Atelier. So these are all a little bit higher end. Of course, they have some that aren't as high end as this, but mini petite sticks clean. So there is a highlighter, a bronzer, and a blush. And they're so cute. But listen, it's only $78. Yes, that's expensive, but you get 3 products from Westman Atelier. I have all 3 of those products, and that is well over $250 worth of those products. And honestly, minis is where it's at because I can't go through products that fast. Can you? Like, who's going through like cream bronzer like water? I'm not, at least. So this is the way to do it, in my opinion. And then I also am going to be buying the Tarte Best of Blush Minis. There are, let's see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 blush minis from Tarte, which are some of the most beautiful Amazonian clay blushes, for $39. So you already have 5 blushes ready to rock and roll for all 5 of your girlfriends, for $39. Again, Tarte has these really cute really cute bow and go maracuja like lip glosses. They're so cute. There's 4 of them. You know what I mean? So this is the time to kind of stock up on this type of stuff. Beauty Blender is selling 5 beauty blenders for $49. That's a really good deal. You guys kind of have to think of this as, yes, upfront cost of that is more expensive. Like if you're thinking, oh gosh, Beauty Blender is $45, but you're breaking that up into 5 different gifts, okay? And so each of those gifts is going to be so far superior in product and quality and less on the amount of money that you're spending. And then also people love this stuff. And then Tatcha, of course, has beautiful gift sets. There's like one for oily skin that's only $25, which has their cleanser and a moisturizer. Break that up. There's so many fun things that you can do in here that can make the gifts so beautiful. Also, this is your time, and if you're into Dyson, they have their blow dryer, their curling iron. But also too, if this is time where you wanted to try some stuff, or you don't go through stuff, get minis. I'm so glad that companies are making minis right now because, again, in my opinion, minis are great for gifts because they're great samplers, but also too, they're great for us who have problems going through full-size makeup, okay? For example, I use this Kosas Cloud Powder every single day. I have barely put a dent in it. Okay, no big deal, but like if they had a smaller version, then it would be better because I would go through it, okay? So, so that is what I would be buying at this time of year. Foundations, I want to buy another Anastasia foundation, the Luminous foundation, and I just wanted to wait because, I mean, we're talking about $45 foundations and, you know, $55 cleansers and things like that. Now that's what I choose to spend my money on. I would love to hear what you choose to spend your money on this Sephora sale. It's important for me I would love to hear what you are, because it helps other people know what to spend their money on during this sale. Are you participating in this sale? Are you excited about it? I always am. So anyway, so thank you all so much for being here. I can't wait to hear what you guys are buying at the Sephora sale, and I'll see you in the next one. Lots of love from me to you. Bye, loves.